An extra tip, even if you have braids, you have to wash them, okay? So the truth is, I came into college thinking I had this, I knew how to take care of my hair, but the truth is, I've always gone to a hairdresser. My aunt always used to do my hair, my mom always used to do my hair, so I really didn't actually have any idea on how to take care of my hair, and so it was a pretty big jump for me, and I'm gonna share these tips with you. They will help, but it's gonna be a learning curve. Let's get right into how to take care of your hair when you're in college. The college hair starter pack. So I'm gonna talk about the college hair starter pack now, okay? The first thing you need is shampoo. The second thing you will need is a deep conditioner, and then the other thing you will need is a leave-in conditioner, an oil, a spray bottle. This could be like you're starting off your hair care journey. You're not sure what you're doing, but you at least have these things. This is what I would say is like a starter pack, okay? Shampoo, deep conditioner, oil, leave-in conditioner, and a spray bottle. Please take care of your hair. You're in a new place, you're in college now. It will be stressful, it will be overwhelming, but don't forget to take care of your hair. And I hope some of these tips really help for you, and I will leave more information in the description box below. But if you have any questions or any other types of videos about hair that you would like me to make, please let me know, and I will gladly make them for you and share some. So I wrote down some notes here, and I'm gonna basically be reading them off to you, and they're not in any specific order, but it's just things that I thought were important in terms of like your hair care journey in college and like learning what works for you, what doesn't. The first thing I'm gonna say is have a routine and incorporate it into your schedule. So I had a planner, and I knew when I had my classes, I knew when I had my activities, like my clubs and organizations, when we met, when we'd have big events and all of that, and I would put that on my schedule and then figure out, okay, I want to wash my hair on weekends because that's when I'm least busy, or I want to wash my hair on Tuesday night because Wednesday I don't have a morning class. And so have a hair care plan, like, and write it out in your planner, put it into your schedule, have a hair care schedule so that you know, okay, I'm getting my braids done on Saturday, or I'm braiding my hair on Saturday, because I braid my hair. I still do. I braid my own hair, and I have to make sure I have at least, 5 to 6 hours plus to be able to do that full style for myself and to make sure that I do it well. So I budget all of that time within my schedule and figure out like, when am I free? When do I actually have the most time to be able to take care of my hair? The next is protective styling. Protective styling is your best friend, okay? So this is a protective style. Cornrows are a protective style. Box braids, twists, a wig if your hair is like taken care of under. Protective styling is your best friend. Because our hair is coiled up, some people can manipulate their hair and it won't fall out or it won't break or damage. But for me, what I discovered was that I needed to have the least manipulation as possible to my hair in order for it to actually grow and for it to flourish and do well. And so please, protective styling. If you don't know how to protective style your hair, ask for help, YouTube it, pay somebody else to do it for you. There's so many options for you to do your hair in a protective style that will make sure your hair does not break or fall off or anything else tragic happen to it. So protective styling is your best friend, okay? Number 3, find a style that works for you and stick to it. You don't want to be like experimenting with a hairstyle Thursday night and you have a big exam on Friday.
My shoulders, my shoulders, my lips.
No. What I figured my type of protective styling is either twists or box braids. And yeah, I've looked the same for 4 years. That's fine, because at least I know my hair is well kept under the style and is doing healthy and is doing fine, and I don't have to worry about anything. I just wake up, use my trusty spray bottle, and I spritz my hair and I get about my day. So yes, pick a hairstyle that works for you, that is the least time consuming unassuming, painful, and easy for you to do, and just roll with it. And for me, it's been twists or box braids, and I have never looked back. So yes, find a hairstyle that works for you and stick to it. The next tip I'm gonna say is I actually had to basically learn this. I learned this from other people. You don't need to buy every single hair product you see. You don't need to try out every single hair product, okay? You don't need to do that. I would be like, oh my gosh, TGIN has this new thing that I saw at the beauty supply. I'm gonna get it. Or oh my gosh, I saw this thing at Walmart. Or I saw this thing at TJ Maxx. No, you don't need to buy every single hair product out there. Keep it simple. Have a shampoo, deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, an oil, and a cream. There, 5 things. Literally 5 things that you need to make your hair grow. You don't need to be a hoarder like me, okay? You don't need to buy every single hair product out there. I'm telling you, because I'm a hoarder and I need to stop. Just keep it simple. That's what our hair needs anyways. Just keeping it simple and your hair will be fine. Your hair will grow. It will flourish. And this leads me to the next tip that I have. Okay, you can make your own hair products. I have done it. I still do it. People always ask me and they're like, oh, your hair is, and I'm like, it's mayonnaise and honey and avocado. And yeah, make your own hair products. There's so many YouTube videos out there for you that can help you use your regular household items, regular kitchen items, and turn them into an amazing hair product. Like when I discovered how to make my own protein treatment with egg, mayo, and honey, I was like, well, why do I need to buy a $12 treatment, huh? When I can get all of this for $5. You can make your own products, and it's okay because you'll be learning how to first get the skill on how to make the product. Your hair will be nourished and you'll save money too. So don't shy away from making your own hair care masks, hair products. I was lucky enough last semester to actually go to a black women's summit, and we had a whole evening where they taught us how to mix specific carrier oils to like put into your hair and what they do to your hair, how to make specific masks and conditioners for our hair using avocado, olive oils, almond oil, and like egg and mayo and all of that, and shea butter. You can make your own products and you don't have to break your bank. So that's something you should consider. Like YouTube is out there, a whole world of knowledge is out there, repository of it, and you can learn how to make your own products. Number 6, have a go-to hairstyle. This is different from having a hairstyle that's like, you know, that you can do and everything. But what I mean by that is that have a go-to way of styling your hair. Like for me, it's either I have my hair with this trusty scrunchie up at the top here, or like this. I have nothing else that I do to it because that would just take too much time. I'll be like, oh my gosh, today what do I? No, it's either this or an updo. I have no in between. That's it. That's what you will get from me. Don't want to be late thinking about what to do with my hair, so that's why I created these 2 options. I have 2 options. I'm like, I wake up and I'm like, what do we do? Is my hair down or up? That's it. Have a go-to hairstyle in that sense, and like something that's quick and easy for you to do, so that if you have an 8 a.m. class, you are up, you spritz your hair up, and you get your hair up into that one style and you're ready to go. Okay, we are not spending more than 20 minutes on our hair in the morning. That is not the most important thing, okay? Have a go-to hairstyle or way to wear your hair that's easy and manageable and easy to do and quick. Number 7, please ask for help, okay? A moment of silence for all the black girls out there who cannot braid their hair. It's fine. I didn't know how to braid my hair at some point. You know, not everybody knows how to braid their hair, and that's okay, but you will learn. That's why there is YouTube out there. I'm gonna put some cards up there. I'm also gonna put some links in the description box below for you to go and learn how to do basic cornrows, how to do box braids, how to do twists, all of those basic hairstyles. It's okay to not know how to do it. Ask for help if you feel like you need help. Please ask for help. We don't want you looking rough, okay? Ask for help. There are probably going to be a lot of black girls on your campus, black guys on your campus that know how to either cut hair, braid hair. Ask for help. There's somebody somewhere out there who probably knows what you're talking about or what you want. Ask for help. And then number 8, don't neglect your hair. The reason why my hair fell out in freshman year was 1, I had no idea how to take care of it. 2, I was like, I guess if I leave it by itself, it will grow. That is not true. And I found out the hard way where my hair all fell out and then I had to start from scratch. So please make sure you take care of your hair and don't neglect your hair, because if we leave our hair to its own devices, it gets matted. It will be unrecognizable. So please, 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 please take care of your hair and do not neglect it. You will regret it. I've regretted it. My hair is now 2 years old. I celebrated my 2-year natural anniversary in April. So yeah, take care of your hair so that it doesn't fall out. And now I'm gonna share with you my top hair care websites, where I get my products. I like to use Sam's Beauty. That's actually where I got this hair from. I was looking on YouTube and I found this YouTuber who was doing twists, and I was like, oh, I want twists, but not like regular twists with like regular twisting hair. I was like, maybe I want spring twists, you know, how do I do that? So I looked up on YouTube, and the YouTuber who did her hair, I'll put the card up there, but she had a link to the website where you could get the hair, and the website is called Sam's Beauty. That's a really good website. All of the prices are super, super affordable. I think I got 3 of these packets of hair for about $20. So that, for me, that was a deal. When you put it into context, is in that if I went to the hairdresser and I wanted the style, I would be paying $300. So that was a steal, okay? So yeah, Sam's Beauty, I'll put the link in the description box below and even on the screen too. I got these products from Eden Body Works. I got these from Sally's Beauty. So Sally's Beauty is also online, but it's probably gonna be in your area. It's like the most common beauty supply store in every town. I live in the whitest place I live in a very white city, and they had a Sally's and they had these, so I was like, oh yay, that's great. So yeah, Sally's Beauty is also another place you can get these products that are for natural hair or just regular black people hair in general. And then I actually got the argan oil, like the line argan oil and Aussie products. You can find these at your regular Walmart, Target, the regular grocery store. You will find these. That's another place I would say look first before you go and start buying online. Literally the regular store, the regular grocery store, you will find these. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments section. I can elaborate on what I've talked about today, but this is mainly what I wanted to talk to you about, like just like my tips on what to do with your hair, what to use on your hair, and basically how to take care and maintain your hair in college. Please let me know, and I will gladly make them for you and share some of my tips and my knowledge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.
Thank you.